Okay, so now let's look at the other one. Convert this integral from -1 to 1, 0 to square root of 1 minus y squared, 0 to x squared plus y squared dz dx dy into an equivalent integral in cylindrical coordinates, and do not evaluate the integral. So first of all, the x, y, and z, those are called as the Cartesian, right, coordinates, and then the cylindrical coordinates is going to be r, theta, and a z here. As you can see, those r and theta are from polar. Those z are same z from the Cartesian. So the cylindrical is kind of like the mixed between polar and the Cartesian. So the relationship we are already very familiar, right? So theta here, and of course x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and tan theta equals y over x, and also z equals z. Okay, so those are the equations that build the bridges between those two coordinates, so you can convert one from the other, vice versa. Also, the other part is, when you're trying to convert it, the dv dx dy into the cylindrical ones. So it's going to be z. There is nothing wrong with the z because z is already part of it, right? And so it's going to be r dr d theta. Okay. So those are the pre-setups you need to know. So the easiest one for here is, as you can see here, this is r squared, right? So it's r squared inside. And then dz, our z is from 0 to x squared. We need to convert it into in terms of r and theta, since x equals r cosine theta. So it's from 0 to r squared cosine square of theta. Okay, that's easy. And then also r dr d theta, right? So now, actually, you can see that x is bounded here, y are bounded here. So, so again, if you draw that x is between 0 to square root of 1 minus y squared, and then y is between -1 to 1 here. So it turns out, again, this is going to be, since x is greater than 0, so this is going to be half circle, okay, on the right hand side, because x is bounded here, and then y is from -1 to 1, right? So this is the region here. So actually this is x equals 1 minus y squared, or you can think of this part as is part of the circle x squared plus y squared equals 1. Okay. So now we want to find the equivalent representation for r, right? R, apparently you can see that if we draw a ray. So it's from 0, and then it will skip this region at here. So it's x squared plus y squared equals 1, so that is r squared equals 1. So r also it equals 1, so we can solve that. So apparently r is from 0 to 1. Okay, so that's put it back, 0 to 1. Okay, good. And then the theta, as you can see, is starting from here, and then it's rotating. So the theta is from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, right? So, and then we're done. So it's a super duper simple. Okay? Thank you for the watching.